116 species in genus Crinum. December 27th. Crinum, the swamp lily, defines December 27th. Crinum symbolizes resilience and beauty. You flourish in the most challenging conditions, always emerging strong and vibrant. Like its large blooms, you are a striking presence wherever you go. Crinum, a love affair with the swamp lily. My name is Vu, and I have a confession to make. I'm utterly captivated by Crinum, a genus of bulbous flowering plants belong to the Amaryllidaceae family that have captured my imagination with their elegant beauty and resilience. These aren't your typical garden variety blooms. They're bold, they're dramatic, and they thrive where others falter, in the damp, humid corners of the world. I'm drawn to their strength, their ability to flourish in conditions that would make other plants wilt. Perhaps it's their connection to water that resonates with me. Crinum species are often found near streams, marshes, and swamps, places where life teems and the air hangs heavy with moisture. They're a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, that strength and grace can coexist with wildness and untamed energy. A diverse and dazzling family. The Crinum genus boasts a remarkable diversity, with an estimated 180 species spread across tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. Each species has its own unique charm, a distinct personality that sets it apart. Some flaunt enormous, fragrant blooms that perfume the air with their sweet scent, while others possess delicate, spider-like flowers that dance in the breeze. See more at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. But Crinum is more than just a collection of pretty faces. These plants have a rich history, intertwined with human culture and tradition. In some parts of the world, Crinum species are used in religious ceremonies, their fragrant blooms offered as gifts to the gods. In others, they're valued for their medicinal properties, their bulbs and leaves used to treat a variety of ailments. This connection between Crinum and humanity speaks to the deep-rooted relationship between people and plants. It's a reminder that plants are more than just decorative objects. They're living beings with their own stories to tell, their own roles to play in the intricate web of life. A gardener's delight and challenge. As an avid gardener, I've had the pleasure of cultivating several Crinum species. They're not the easiest plants to grow, requiring specific conditions to thrive. But the rewards are well worth the effort. When a Crinum blooms, it's an event, a spectacle of nature that fills me with awe and wonder. The key to success with Crinum lies in understanding their needs. They crave moisture, warmth, and rich, fertile soil. They're not fond of being disturbed, so it's best to plant them in a permanent location where they can spread their roots and flourish. But perhaps the most important ingredient in Crinum cultivation is patience. These plants take their time to establish, sometimes years before they reward you with their first blooms. But when those blooms finally appear, it's a moment of pure magic, a testament to the enduring power of nature, a symbol of resilience and beauty. For me, Crinum represents more than just a botanical fascination. It's a symbol of resilience, a reminder that beauty can thrive in the most challenging environments. It's a testament to the power of adaptation, the ability to flourish in the face of adversity. In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, Crinum offers a sense of stability, a connection to the enduring rhythms of nature. It's a reminder that even in the midst of change, there is beauty to be found, strength to be drawn upon. And for that, I am eternally grateful.